Hello, welcome to the Optimum Forex. In this video today, we are discuss about the technical analysis of the pound USD, USD yen, Aussie USD, and USD Swiss franc. So let's begin our first pair, pound USD. If you look at the pound USD right now, after the surprising NFP data, the USD gains some momentum and pound USD break the 1.21100 psychological level. So and keep is bearish momentum continue because of the pound weakness. If you look at the USD right now, USD also gains some momentum. So look at the dollar index right now. After the NFP data release, dollar index bullish momentum can continue and reaching the 104.00 psychological number. If the dollar index break this level, then it's move forward to 105.00 psychological number. So the pound USD keep falling and keep its bearish momentum continue. So the what is the next region for the pound USD? So it is the 1.8500 psychological number. So the question is, if you enter this trade right now, so if you are greedy, then you can enter this trade right now and keep the stop loss around the 1.21100 psychological number, and the first take profit should be the 1.1900 psychological number, and second take profit should be the 18500 psychological number. But keep in mind that any political news or any geopolitical issue can be caused the momentum reversibly. So that's all. So let's move on our next pair, USD yen. As we discussed our previous video, the USD yen break the 131.500 crucial region and break also the 132.500 psychological number and retested the 133.00 psychological number, but it did not break this level. So USD yen as a trade wise is not good pair. So if you want to follow this pair, then follow, but there is no possibility for the trader to enter this trade. But if the USD yen break the 131.00 region, then it's move below the 129.00 psychological number. It's possible when the dollar index will fall. But if the dollar index bullish momentum continue, then USD yen break 133.00 psychological number and moving towards the 134.00 psychological number. So our next pair is Aussie USD. So as we discussed our previous video, the Aussie USD after the NFP data release, dollar index gains some momentum and Aussie also loses its strength, and there is a big move in the Aussie USD. It's break down the 69500 psychological level, also the 0.69200 psychological level, and moving towards the 0.8600 psychological level. But after reaching this level, the Aussie USD, after the rate hike of 25 basis point, Aussie USD gain some rebound and reaching around the 0.69500 psychological number, then keep moving downwards because of the Aussie weakness and the US dollar gain some momentum. But we did not expect this level for the entry, but if the rebound is continue to this 0.7050 level and we see the clear confirmation like the rejection candle, then we engage this trade, and our target should be the 0.68400 psychological level. But There is another possibility. If you see the momentum right now, if the Aussie USD break the 0.68400 psychological level because of the dollar index rising, then our target should be the 67500 psychological level. So that's all. So our last pair is USD Swiss franc. So if you look at the USD Swiss franc right now, it also depend on the US dollar strength, but the two currency is now in a neutral position right now. So that's why there is no movement in this pair, no upward as well as no backward movement. So if you look at the USD Swiss franc right now, it's reaching the 92800 psychological level and did not break this level and expect this level. So if USD Swiss franc break this level, then it's moving upwards to the 0.93500 level. And if the USD Swiss franc did not break this level, then it's moving downwards to the 0.91500 level. So that's all. There is a no entry for the trader USD in Swiss franc. So that's all. Thank you.